Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Shibentana ka jingra ke ya ka National Milk Day arajar kat khandai. Haka apnro terek mentau naiweng ka Directorate of Milk Development ka jela. Kelas dang ya ka jingra ke na do ka por mesta prenga. Da ka jingko mare marathon ha ka jingcingai ka ba 10 kilometer. Haka ni ka jingko ka balas dang na polo shilo. La kawe lama ya ka jingsdang da usembot menteri rangba ka jela. Uba preston tensong kumu kongsan. Kibalawan ya shimenta shikni ka jingko kiladon da kispangon. Kinong mare na keleng ka jela. Kentop iki kentai bat sendrang, ki kena ki samla kirang ba bat ki bala khamyau ru karta. Bat ya ka jing mare la penkot bat haplau jong ka State Central Library. Ha ka ni je ko mare marathon. Ha ka bakot no na ki kentai la job da ka kong datai ban kentiu marwen na ka snong Maulingwer Southwest Castles District. Kebalawan baar kadai ka hebret lenti jingkerman kharja aren kharas nem karta na Southwest Castles District. Bat kebalawan balai pat kadai ka Jidalin Tempon na West Castles District. Na kishendrang pat ubala job ikanam nakdo uday umudang Omo na katnat Assam Rifles, ubalawan baar uday Usuraj Magar na ka 58 GTC, bat ubalawan balay pat uday Ukresta June Pathal na kasnong Thlong nong Tliu. Ya ki kusnam chikinong job akan ika step la sam no marsan kot kejeko. Ya ka bala sam hi da usembot menteri rangba kejela uba preston tensong. Ringkat kejiran lang ki officer jokatnat Directorate of Milk Development bat kiwe. Kinong job nalor ki trophy bat certificate. Kilayo kusnam ru da kapisa bat ki job baning kong kilayo marlai po hajar tingka, ki buan baar ki yo arpo hajar, bat ki buan balai ki yo markasan hajar tingka. Nalor kinong job hakani kasngi la ai ru ye ki consolation prize. Ki balayo marsi hajar tingka, kat ba kitu ki balayo kusnam kat pangpat ki yo mak hajar tingka marwai. Sana. Dengar asal dengar.
Yeah, a big round of applause. Congratulations, Dake. Coming to the second place, we have 103. Her name is Linty Jingerman Khardaran. She's only 12 years old. She's from Sakwang, Southwest Castles, and she clocked 46.14 minutes. Please give a big round of applause for the young girl from Sakwang, Mount Karuat. Indeed, a bright future for the young girl here. In the third place, we have chest number 1031, Jidalin Tempon from Risiang West Castles District. She clocked the timing of 47.23 minutes. Well done. Please have the girl from West Castles District. In the third place, we have 1024 Martwilas Ramses from Malkarwat, Southwest Khasi Hills District, with a timing of 48:25 minutes. The consolation goes to Martwilas Ramses. We have 10 consolation prize. 6, we have chest number 103. Another consolation goes to 1037 Pinhun Langpuwen from Nongstoy, with a timing of 50:21 minutes. Followed by chest number 1036 Pinhun Shulet from Joai. 1036 clock a timing of 52:22 minutes. Followed by Balarisha Thernyang from Langding Nongdeng Song, with a timing of 52:26 minutes. We also have 1060 Nangkio Suki Slong from Joai with a timing of 52:32 minutes. And then we also have chest number 1077 Daylin Dinkoy from Malkarwat, timing of 53:50 minutes. There is Kalin Harkongor from Malkadok, chest number 1047 with a timing of 54:57 minutes. And the last consolation prize goes to chest number 1116 Sumeria Karavan from the oldest participants. She's and we will go back to the men's. Quite a good timing for the 34:24 minutes. Second place we have Saroj Marnar from 58 GDC Happy Valley, chest number 300 with a timing of 34:29 minutes. Congratulations to Mudang Oma and Saroj Marnar. In the third place we have chest number 138 Cresta June Pathao from Umthlong Nongthaleo, with a timing of 34:74 minutes. Coming to the 10 consolation prize, we have first chest number 114 Pramod Kumar from Assam Rifle, 114, with a timing of 34:44 minutes. Another consolation prize goes to Subisi from Assam Rifles, chest number 111, 35:12 minutes. Next consolation goes to chest number 078 Jomsing Star Ramses from Malkarwat, with a timing of 35:21 minutes. The next consolation goes to Marso Kindat from Joai, chest number 046, with a timing of 35:45 minutes. Another consolation goes to chest number 302 Ham Bahadur Gurung from 58 GDC, with a timing of 35:51 minutes. Chest number 112 Kedahar from Assam Rifle, with a timing of 22 minutes. Next chest number we have 231 Bismo Sumer from Korea, with a timing of 36:50 minutes. Another consolation we have 303 Baharam Buddha from 58 GDC, with a timing of 36:51 minutes. We also have Ribat Har from Joai 047 with a timing of 36:59 minutes. And the last consolation goes to M. Kima from Assam Rifle, taking a time of 37:16 minutes. The oldest participant in the men's section, we have Mr. Sanbor Tharmoklang from Umtling, chest number 136, at the age of 60 years. Congratulations to Sanbor Mauklang. And we also have the youngest participant, 12 years old. And the last prize for today, round of applause for the young girl, the promising player. Both male and female come fast.
Madam Tuara Fadli, Jisi Mentabik Bakti Ajak. tulak syukur kenya makan badan merokan hijau para man badan merokan hijau dan kau iban koi bisa nuk bisa karut man siapa tahu belajar orang marah hidan kita mesim perang man koi siapa nak kau hidan kita mesim banyak itu sekarang kita jangan